Hi, I'm Budi with the Solutions Engineering and Introduction team here at Siena. And today, in our live demonstration, we will showcase the power of simplifying PON network deployments using our Tibit MicroPlug ONU. What sets the MicroPlug ONU apart? Well, it's not your traditional ONU. It is a device developed entirely by Tibit Technologies, down to the ONU ASIC and firmware, to create a full end-to-end product and silicon solution. This compact XGS-PON module plugs directly into an Ethernet port. As you can see, our MicroPlug OLT is installed in one of the 5166 32x1 10 25 gig ports, enabling 10 gig symmetrical XGS-PON. The second port is being used to connect a 1 gig gray optic to an off-box server used to support our microclimate management system, or MCMS software, or PON controller. More on MCMS later. From there, a single fiber is connected to an optical splitter, which is used to connect to our MicroPlug ONU, which is installed into one of the 5134's 24x1 10 25 gig ports. To simulate traffic, a test set is connected to the 5134. Looking at MCMS software, we can see the topology view of the XGS-PON OLT and the connected ONUs. As you can see in this case, the MicroPlug OLT shows our MicroPlug ONU connected. Now, let's look at the bandwidth page on the PON manager screen. And as you can see, traffic is cleanly running between the MicroPlug OLT and the MicroPlug ONU. With its compact design, simplified deployment, and seamless management, the Tibit MicroPlug ONU is revolutionizing how we deliver 10 gig PON services. For more information about MicroPlug ONU and more, visit us at siena.com. Thank you.